Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Let's go. Okay, Ipsy, what you got for me today? First of all, I got a blue bag. I think these come in different colors because when I looked at the preview online, it showed a red bag, but this is blue. Oh, you want to sit? All right, don't mind my daughter. She is just gonna sit there and look at herself in the mirror while I talk about these. But anyway, yeah, it smells like a straight up swimming pool. Like the above ground ones, like right when you take them out of the box, like that rubbery smell, you know? That's what this smells like. But it's kind of nice. Like, I like the smell of it. It's summery, I don't know. First thing we have are these sheet masks by the Sayum. One is Natural Acai Berry Mask Sheet, and the other one is Natural Tox Apple Mask Sheet. By reading the back of these, I just see that they're both kind of meant to provide luminosity and elasticity. I think it's been a few months since Ipsy has sent me sheet masks, so I'm really happy to have some again, because I never have them unless someone sends them to me. So here we are. I'm so happy because I feel like my skin needs it these days. I don't usually try these things out in my review videos, but just know that I always love sheet masks whenever I get them. I don't think I've ever had a sheet mask that I didn't like. So we have a brush, also by Luxie. Now, if you watched last week's video, you know that BoxyCharm sent some Luxie brushes this time around too. So I wonder if Luxie is just trying to get rid of some inventory here. This is like a flat, it says it's a shader brush, but it seems like it's more made for packing. So I mean, I always like having brushes like these. These flat brushes do well for what I like to use them for, is getting them wet and then packing on like a shimmer color or something like that. That's what my child's doing while we're trying to film a video. So that's probably what I'll use this for today. We'll do like an eyeshadow look, but I don't know, like, it's so hard for me to do brushes, like, because these are always so expensive. Brushes are so expensive, and I'm like, for this dumb thing, like, I think it's just because I got a lot of my brushes that I use off of Wish, literally like 15 pieces for $1, and they're all fine. I just don't see much of a quality difference between something like this and what I got off of Wish. So I think that's why I'm always so picky with brushes. Like, I'm happy to have them, but anyway, that's that. Next we have, it looks like a liquid eyeliner by Jante Blue. Jante Blue is another brand that was also in BoxyCharm. So again, another brand that is trying to get rid of product and they're sending them to all the subscription boxes. Now, the eyeliner I got in BoxyCharm from Jante Blue was not liquid. It was like a charcoal color, pencil eyeliner. And I was kind of underwhelmed with it, but this is a liquid eyeliner. So it says it's 24 hour, but it doesn't say it's waterproof. So this looks like a really stiff tip too.
That's what she said.
And I'm always really picky about liquid eyeliner tips. I just don't usually like them when they're super stiff. And I think that might be what we're getting into this time, but we will see. Next thing in here, this is by Pixie Skin Treats. It's a Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Okay. Gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy, glowing skin for all skin types. Dermatologist tested. I've been watching a lot of Drew Lynch lately. I think I'm developing a stutter. So I'm not gonna use this today since I already put makeup on. I mean, I actually will probably use it later today because I'm gonna take a shower and stuff later. So I will use this after my skin is all clean and stuff. But I actually ran out of toner recently, so I'm happy to try this. Actually, I want to sniff it first though. It smells like a spa. But like a spa at a resort that's right next to the pool, you know? The last thing that we have in here, ooh, this is an interesting color. This is a lip color by that fucking brand again. Some of you guys were making fun of me in the comments last time I got a product from this brand, but I think you were saying it's pronounced Douce, but I don't know, to me it just looks like douchey. This looks like a weird formula just by looking at, but anyway, this is the color 615 Impassioned Peach. It's a luscious lip stain, and that's pretty much all it says. But check this out. I want you to see. I feel like that, well, I mean, maybe it's just because it's really hot here in Arizona and stuff like melts and gets all weird, but there's just like a patch of kind of crusty looking stuff in there. I don't quite know how I feel about this color, and I already know I'm gonna hate the formula. The formula just being on my hand feels really, really drying, and we all know Savannah hates drying lipsticks because my lips are just a mess all the time. But anyway, so that's it. The 3 things I'm gonna test out for us today is this brush, this eyeliner, and this lipstick. For the brush, I am going to wet it, and I'm going to just pack some color on my lid. But I actually think before I do that, let me just set a base. Alright, so now that I just kind of have like a crease shade done, I'm going to go ahead and take my wet, small shader Luxie brush and dip it into, I guess I'll just do this like light shimmery color. This brush works fine. I don't even know why I even bother trying to like review brushes anymore, because they're just mediocre to me. Like, I don't care about brushes, I really don't. I like getting them, but I don't like, I'm just like, cool, new brush, and that's about it. So that's kind of how I feel about this. For a flat packing brush, I guess it's fine. So now I guess it's time to try this liquid eyeliner by Shantae Blue. That's the sentence I was trying to say. Okay. I spent way too much time trying to make my wings even with this. The problem is, and I just kept going back and forth between these two, because like I kept looking at one and then looking at the other, and they just don't look even, and I'm giving up. But what I don't like about the stiff tip like this is that I have to stretch my skin. Like, my skin is so loose around my eyes that it just kind of like leaves skid marks if I just, yeah, it just doesn't, I don't like liquid eyeliners that don't have a nice flowy fluid tip, and I guess that's just a personal preference of mine. The formula seems fine. I doubt it'll stay for 24 hours just because it's not waterproof, so how could it? The first ingredient is water. Like, water's gonna take this right off. I'm kind of neutral about it. I'm sure it'll perform decently, but I just don't like the tip of this. So last thing we have to try is this lipstick. Okay, so the pros to this: it doesn't smell like a cupcake or vanilla frosting or cake. I've been getting so sick of opening a thing of liquid lipstick and having it stink up the entire bathroom because it just smells so strongly of cupcakes. I don't like that, and this does not do that. It has a slight scent of like just cosmetic scent, I guess, if that makes sense, but it's not bad, and it's like you really only smell it if you're like. What I don't like about it is literally everything else. I kind of hate the color. Back when I had black hair, like, maybe this would be fine. Actually, I probably could pull it off really well. I just don't think it goes with my hair color. It's almost like a neon orange. I'll get all up close for you. It's the formula I warned you about. It's so drying. Like, it just settles in all my cracks. It makes my lips look so dry. They already need help in the moisture department, and this is not helping. I feel like I definitely would have to wear a lip gloss over this. Yeah, because my lips are just dry. Like, there's no moisture on them at all. I could see this flaking and cracking in like an hour, so what can you do? I feel like Ipsy tried this month. The only things that I'm happy with in my Ipsy bag are the ones that I haven't used yet. The skincare products, because I always like the skincare and I already know I'm gonna like it. The cosmetics this month were kind of mediocre. I guess I'm just picky. Maybe that's just it. I'm sure this eyeliner will work fine. Maybe I just have to work with it a little more, and at least the formula doesn't smudge and stuff. And I'm pretty sure this is like a full-size product, isn't it? It doesn't say it's not for individual sale, so. I mean, as far as cosmetics go, this is probably the thing that I'm probably gonna use the most. This brush, I have a million other brushes like it, like cool, it's just gonna go into my collection. I really don't like this. With that all being said though, that was Ipsy this month. I just realized I didn't put mascara on, but that's okay, I guess. It's been fun, it's always fun. I mentioned in the BoxyCharm video last week that I actually ended up getting a new subscription box that I haven't told you guys what it is yet, but it's due to be delivered next week, which by the time this comes up, I will probably have already filmed and edited the video. So sometime after this video, that video will be up, and I'm really excited to have a new one. It's just gonna be a bonus upload, so keep a lookout for that. It's gonna be a good video, I think, I hope. I'm really hopeful that this is gonna be a good financial decision on my part. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. My social media and everything is down below, and sometimes this cute naked baby is involved. I again put some eyeshadow on her this morning because that's her new thing. She sees me doing my makeup and she wants some too. So she has sparkly gold eyeshadow on. But thank you for watching. I will see you whenever that new subscription box video is up. Bye!